The average residential HVAC shop leaves $21,000 a year on the table. Not in missed calls. Not in jobs they didn't land. In a product they already built, already priced, and already offer. Service agreements. Most shops offer them. Most customers say no. And most owners never figure out why. Here is what happens on a typical service call. The tech diagnoses the issue. The customer approves the repair. The work gets done. At checkout, the tech mentions the maintenance plan. 2 visits a year. Priority dispatch. Parts discount. The customer says they'll think about it. They never do. The problem is not the agreement. The problem is when it gets presented. Agreements pitched at the end of a service call land as upsells. The job is already done. The customer already wrote one check. A second ask feels optional. So they pass. Let's put a number on what that costs. 500 customers. That is a stable residential HVAC shop. At 10% agreement penetration, 50 agreements at $169 a year. That is $8,400 in recurring annual revenue. Push penetration to 35%. You are at $29,400. The gap between 10 and 35% is $21,000 a year. From the same 500 customers. 0 new advertising spend. 0 new leads. Now look at it over 5 years. The 10% shop collects $42,000 in agreement revenue. The 35% shop collects $147,000. Same trucks. Same market. Same customer base. One shop just had a better system for when they made the ask. And the revenue gap is only part of the cost. Agreement customers behave differently. They cancel less. They call you first. They don't shop around when something breaks in August. ServiceTitan data shows agreement customers generate 2.3 times the annual revenue of non-member customers. Not from the agreement fee alone. From every additional call, install, and referral that follows. You already earned those customers. The agreement turns that one-time trust into a recurring relationship. Without it, you restart from 0 on every ticket. So what is the fix? First move. Change when you make the pitch. Stop presenting the agreement at checkout, after the customer has already approved a repair bill. That is the worst possible moment. The best moment is the diagnostic. Here is the exact line. I found 3 issues today. As an agreement member, your priority booking and 15% parts discount would have covered a chunk of this call. Now the customer is doing the math in real time. The agreement just saved them money they are already about to spend. You are not pitching an add-on. You are showing them what they already lost. Agreement conversion rates move from 7% to 22% when the pitch happens at the diagnostic moment, not at checkout. The timing is the whole game. Second move. Price the agreement to make it self-obvious. 2 seasonal tune-ups. Priority dispatch. No diagnostic fee on covered equipment. 15% off parts. At $169 a year, one wave diagnostic fee covers half the cost. 2 tune-ups billed separately run $230. The customer is not trusting your pitch. They are reading the math. When an agreement delivers $140 in real, documented savings in year 1, renewal is automatic. You do not have to resell it. It already proved itself. Third move. Follow up with every non-member after their service call. 1 message. 1 line. As an agreement member, today's diagnostic fee would have been waived. You would have saved $65. Your annual plan is $169. Most shops never send this. They assume the customer said no and moved on. But that customer just watched you fix their system. Your credibility is at its highest point. A single honest message, showing them what they would have saved, closes more agreements than any in-person pitch. Send it every time. Automate it if you can. You have 500 customers. You have a maintenance agreement already on the books. If you are sitting at 10% penetration, $21,000 in recurring annual revenue is sitting uncollected. No new trucks. No new markets. No new leads. Just a better system for when you make the ask, what you charge, and how you follow up. The agreement is already priced. The customer already trusts you. The math is already obvious. You just need to present it at the right moment. This is margin and wrench. New playbook every day. Hit subscribe.